Want to create a modern WordPress Elementor carousel with text that's draggable and has a sleek card effect? You can build exactly what you see on screen right now. A card-style slider that's interactive, smooth, and perfect for showcasing images with titles. Visitors can simply click and drag the cards left or right, just like swiping through a gallery on mobile. It's perfect for showcasing your portfolio or team images on your website. The plugin comes with a user-friendly settings page inside WordPress. From here, you can upload and reorder your images with simple drag and drop, give each one a title, and preview thumbnails instantly. You also get full control over the appearance, like adjusting the carousel height, changing font size and color for titles and numbers, picking different font families including theme and Elementor defaults, and even hiding the numbers if you prefer a cleaner look. Ready to add this slider to your site? Let's go. First, grab this free and lightweight add-on from the video description. Then head over to your WordPress dashboard. Upload the zip file in the plugins section, hit install and activate, and you're all set. Once activated, you'll see a new slider option under the WordPress settings menu. Here, you can upload images, add titles, pick files from your media library, or upload directly from your computer. Next, let's add this to a WordPress page or post. You can do it with a simple shortcode. I'm using Elementor, so I'll drop the shortcode inside a full-width container on my homepage. You can also use it with other page builders like Visual Composer or even the default WordPress editor. Simply use the shortcode widget in Elementor and paste the shortcode there. The shortcode preview won't appear in the back end for easier editing. You can still enhance the slider section by adding a background image or even a video to give it a more stylish look. Once done, save your changes and preview the page. And there you have it, a live preview of your card carousel. Smooth, fully draggable, with each card showing an image, title, and slider number that you can hide anytime if not needed. Let's explore the plugin settings a bit more. They're simple for now, but I'll be adding more custom options in future updates. At the moment, the slider height is set to full, but you can easily reduce it if needed. You can also tweak the title font size, switch font types, and of course add more slides. For the best results, I recommend adding at least 10 slides. That's all for today's video. In just a few clicks, you've got a sleek WordPress card carousel up and running. Try it out on your next project. The download link's in the description. And hey, if you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick WordPress and Elementor tricks.